Hello, Katrin here with European Paper Crafts in US. Welcome back to my channel. If you need some Get Well cards, this video is for you. So let's get started. New in my store are a couple of cute die cut sheets, and this one here is called Well Wishes by Janine's Art, and these die cut sheets are from Find It, and they have 3 different embellishments. And look at these cute frogs on here, and they are intended to make Get Well cards, well wishes. So let's see what I have created with these beautiful, gorgeous and whimsical card toppers. So here is my first card, and I made it into a thank you card, but of course you can make it into any card you would like to. And there it is, this cute frog. And all I did here is I used a card blank from Michaels. These are those smaller cards that they sell in packs in different colors. And as background paper for this sheet, I used the Microcosmos by Ciao Bella. And the Microcosmos has all kinds of beautiful garden papers in here. Look at this cute snail. So this is a 6x6 pack, and it has, let's see, 2 each of 12 double-sided papers, so 24 designs. And here is my first card. It is of course the heart with the frog. I just added some stickers and nothing else. This is just the paper, and then the thank you is from my stash, and then of course a border, and I have these borders of course in my store. My second card, same thing. I added the background paper from the Microcosmos pack. Oh, and then also I used up some of my washi tape. See here, I was thinking, how can I use my washi tape? And to add a little interest, I added 3 pieces of washi tape to this card, 2 pieces to this card, just little teeny tiny strips. It ends right behind this embellishment. I cut out the well wishes from this sheet. So why let it go to waste? It's an easy cutout, this heart here. And I added it to this bowl of fruit, and then just added some stickers. But isn't this the cutest card? I love these frogs. They are so friendly. So here's my second. And then my last, same thing. Here is the washi tape in green colors. Let me just see that it focuses in. Okay, there we go. And then paper from the paper pack. And here is this cute frog, just a note I had in my stash. And then of course a piece of border that I carry in my store. And they come in sheets like this. So here we have this glitter border. There are smaller strips, bigger strips. Very glittery, so pretty. It doesn't come off, it's all under plastic, but see how nice this basically looks. Okay, so these are my first 3 cards, and I made it with this cute die cut sheet from Find It, Well Wishes. There's more. Then I have another die cut sheet here, also by Find It, and this one is called Get Well Soon, and this is Yvonne Creations. Again, you have 3 different embellishments that you stack up with foam pads. This time I didn't make cards, so I made embellishments, and what I had in mind, so let's start with this one here. So here I cut out a doily with one of my dies that I own. Then I have another doily, so I added 2 doilies, and this paper here is the specialty paper that I have introduced to you a couple of times. So I'm gonna link it below if it's still available. And then this banner is also a die, and then here is this basket full of fruits. And I thought this can be added, well, I made this actually into a hanging. See, this kind of hangs, and this I thought would make a great add-on to, if you give flowers, you know, you can hang that from one branch. So that would be my first embellishment. Here is my second one. I also used actually it's this way, right? Yeah. I used a couple of different doilies, and then the embellishment, and then all it is, there's a little bow here, and another one with tulle. The only one I added is this rose, and then stickles. And I thought, you know, if you give chocolates, for example, you can just add that to the box, or you can stack it in the what I really had in mind is when you buy flowers, sometimes they have these sticks in there where it shows the card or the envelope, and I didn't have it by hand. I have it somewhere, I have to look for it. But I thought if you would add it and then just stick it with a bouquet of flowers, wouldn't it be cute? And on the back you can then just write your sentiment, get well soon or something. And the same idea is for this third piece that I have created. This one I made into a heart because I had this heart die and pretty papers, some bling, and then the embellishment is of course the basket with those pansies, and the only other one is this bow. Yeah, and I was thinking if you can just add it to a present, you know, if you have a gift, you can use it as a gift topper. You can use it, like I said, in a bouquet. You can, of course, put it on a card. You can use it as a tag. And then the back, you can see the pretty papers here. So this wouldn't work as a tag because you would have to put something that you can write on. This is a little bit too busy. But these critters here, the paper is from the paper pack, the Microcosmos. I had fun making these clusters, and I think they came out cute. And I have a couple more things with you to share. Here are two Hunkydory luxury card collections, also with the same theme, Get Well. So look at this one with the teddy, with the bear in the bed, Get Well. Isn't that cute? It has all kinds of sentiments here. Get well soon, thinking of you. And then in these card packs you have 3 sheets, so you can see them up front here. So you have the die cut sheet, and then you also have 2 of the cardstock. That is, there is foiled cardstock, and then there is cardstock that is printed. So these are also available. I did not have a chance to make a card with that, but isn't it cute? So I think I will make that soon. Especially there is also some borders here. So everything you use to make 2 or 3 beautiful cards, and cutouts, cardstock, and then even the sentiments, and then of course borders. And this is the other one that I picked, and this is called Under the Weather, or Feeling Under the Weather. Okay, here we go. And look at this. Here's this cute duck with the umbrella. Sorry to hear you're feeling under the weather. It's so cute. Yeah, super, super cute. I love this one too. So you can see, same thing. You have the die cut sheet and then 2 pieces of cardstock. And one is foiled and the other one is printed. And then you can make a lot of embellishments. Oh, there's always a sample card too, which I like. So it says here makes at least 2 cards, but you can make more because you have, see how many different die cuts you have, so you can make more cards. But here is the card sample. Same here. They do show a sample. This is a stand-up card here. I don't know, it's a little glary because it's in the back. But I thought because we're looking at Get Well cards, I wanted to show you those two that I also found. Sorry, I haven't made any cards with these yet, but I think I will. They're just so super cute. I'm inspired to make a few more Get Well cards, and you can always use them and have them in your stash when you need them. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you liked my cards and embellishment clusters. If so, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, follow me on social media, and share this video with your friends and family. I really appreciate it. Please stay or get well, and happy crafting. I'll catch you next time. Bye!